Today, I am reviewing FOPATO H98 98% mechanical gaming keyboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The FOPATO H98 98% mechanical gaming keyboard is a game changer for both gamers and productivity enthusiasts who demand performance, versatility, and style in one package. Right out of the box, this keyboard impresses with its sleek black design, solid build quality, and compact 96-key layout that still manages to give you almost every key you need without taking up unnecessary desk space. One of the biggest highlights of the FOPATO H98 is its multi-mode connectivity. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-A to C wired connections, allowing you to connect up to 5 devices at once and switch between them effortlessly. This means you can easily toggle between a laptop, desktop, smartphone, tablet, or even a smart TV without juggling cables. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming, this keyboard adapts seamlessly to your needs. Another standout feature is the hot-swappable Speed Silver V2 switches from TTC. These switches provide a lightning-fast response time with smooth linear keystrokes, making them ideal for competitive gaming and heavy typing. If you want a custom feel, the hot-swappable design allows you to change switches without soldering. Combined with PBT and PC keycaps, you get the best of both worlds. PBT for durability and a premium typing feel, and PC for excellent RGB light transmission. Speaking of lighting, the FOPATO H98 features 16.8 million RGB colors with 22 lighting effects, all adjustable with 5 brightness levels. This is perfect for gamers who want their keyboard to reflect their style or match the mood of the game. The lights can even sync with music for a dynamic experience. The keyboard also offers a unique 1.14-inch TFT-LCD smart screen and knob system, a rare feature for mechanical keyboards. This screen displays essential information like time, battery percentage, connection mode, and even custom GIFs. The knobs not only control volume but also interact with the display, giving you a futuristic control experience right at your fingertips. Build quality is another strong point. The keyboard uses a gasket-mounted structure for a soft, elastic typing feel while reducing noise. It feels solid yet comfortable, with magnetic feet for stability and portability. For power, the FOPATO H98 houses a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, offering hours of uninterrupted gaming or work sessions. Plus, the receiver for the 2.4 GHz mode is cleverly stored under a magnetic cover at the back of the keyboard, so it's always handy when needed. Overall, the FOPATO H98 mechanical keyboard is more than just a keyboard. It's a premium productivity and gaming tool. Whether you want fast, reliable performance for competitive gaming, a stylish RGB setup for your desk, or a versatile device for multitasking across multiple gadgets, this keyboard delivers. With its innovative features, stunning design, and versatile connectivity, the FOPATO H98 is a strong choice for gamers, programmers, designers, and anyone who values quality typing. It's not just a peripheral, it's a productivity powerhouse that elevates your entire computing experience.